Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is a novel hybrid multi-key cryptography technique for video communication. Let's move to the abstract of our project. The growing popularity of online video streaming has raised concerns about production and privacy. Cryptography combines the key to provide enhanced security. In this project, employed a systematic approach to compose the performance of RSA and ECC in video encryption and decryption. A video file was uploaded and encrypted using both RSA and ECC algorithms. The duration of encryption and decryption for each algorithm was recorded. The results were then analyzed to determine the relative efficiency of each algorithm. As online video streaming continues to grow, this technique has the potential to play a significant role in safeguarding and preventing unauthorized access. We have the ECC as proposed system because it outperformed RSA in both encryption and decryption speed. ECC demonstrated significantly faster encryption and decryption times compared to RSA. This is attributed to ECC's smaller key size and more efficient computational operations. Then we have the flow of our project. This is the flow of our project. First we have to upload the video, which have to move to the next process of the video encryption and decryption. After uploading the video, we just select the video from local video files, and then we upload to the upload folder destination. Then we move to the key generation part. This is very important part in cryptography because securing the content is more important. So we are generating new key for each video file that we have selected. Then we have to move to the video encryption. In this we use RSA and ECC algorithm for encryption, and also we take the duration time of encryption of file, and we just give the same file for RSA and ECC to compare the encryption time of each algorithm. It takes time. Next we move to video decryption. In this also we use RSA and ECC algorithms, and we collected the duration time of both decryption time. After that we have the comparison sort of RSA and ECC to check which algorithm is efficient for video encryption and decryption in secure way. Okay, let's run our project. We have done our project in Jupyter IDE. In Anaconda Navigator, we used Jupyter IDE to run our project. This is the output of our project. We just uploaded the video. First step, we take the video file from our local files. Then we write it into the upload folder. After that we have written the video is written successfully. Then we load the dataset to the CSV file. In this part only we generate a unique key for each file, and we store the data into CSV file. After the storing data, we move to the cryptographic operations of RSA and ECC. First we took RSA cryptography. In this we select the file to encrypt. We just select the file from upload folder where we have taken a set of files which you have to load. After that we got the RSA encryption time in seconds. Then file decrypt, we just write our encrypted file into a separate folder. In that folder we have to select the file which have to decrypt. Then after decryption also we take the duration time of decryption. After the ECC cryptography also we have the same process of selecting files. We just select the file to encrypt. We have the ECC encryption time. Then we have to select the file for decrypt. This is the time of ECC decryption. After the performance of both ECC and RSA cryptography, we have taken the encryption and decryption time, right? So we are going to compare it in comparison chart for selecting which cryptography is performing well for our video encryption and decryption. This is the encryption time comparison chart, and this is the decryption time comparison chart. In both also we got less values in ECC, so we have taken ECC cryptography as our proposed system in our project for our video file encryption and decryption. Thank you.